Good afternoon. We're now going to deal with Module 4, Patterns of Intelligence and Learning. And I just wanted to give you just a brief overview of this module. This will not be extensive because it's pretty self-explanatory. But during this module, we're going to explore some patterns of learning, and we're also going to look at the multiple intelligences and learning styles. We'll kind of explore that controversy as to whether they're actually learning preferences or learning styles. But I want you to kind of keep in mind what your own personal learning style is and how you enjoy learning. Is this also influence the way that you teach? So you'll do some reading on thinking and intelligence, intellectual abilities, interests, factors influencing learning. You're going to look at a couple of videos, Howard Gardner's Multiple Intelligences, the learning styles and importance of critical self-reflection. And then you'll have a discussion board. Again, I want to remind you that on our written discussions, you're to respond to at least 2 other students each week. A couple of you are losing some unnecessary points. If you don't respond to others, please make sure you do that. And then you're going to create a learning style activity plan. So I'm just going to scroll through the rest of the module. You'll see the discussion question, and then you're going to see the actual assignment. So there's part 1, part 2, and part 3. You'll see how that all lays out for you. If you are a non-classroom teacher taking this course, in other words, if you're working on counseling degree or something like that, then you would do the alternative assignment for this module. But the majority of you will fall into the original assignment. Even if you're specials teachers, special educators, whatever, you will be doing the original assignment for this course. If you work with children in a classroom setting of any type, then be doing the actual learning style activity plan. As you've probably noticed by now, I'm not super hung up on the number of actual pages, so kind of think in terms of this being a guideline to how many pages it should be, not strictly keep writing words until you get to 4 pages. That we shouldn't be doing that, but do kind of look through this. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me right away. We can get your questions answered. I will conduct office hours again on Thursday evening from 5 to 6 live. Most of you are not taking advantage of that, which is not a problem. There's no requirement to do so, but I am making myself available for an hour Thursdays from 5 to 6 p.m. Central Time for a live chat if you need to get a hold of me. So hopefully that takes care of this module. You might be able to understand it. If you have questions, please get a hold of me right away and we can talk through it. I think everything is working correctly. Note that the discussion will be due on October 4th, and then the learning style activity plan will be due on October 11th. So have a great week, and let me know if you need me. Thanks.